This post highlights 9 of the best Android Wi-Fi transfer tools available. Each one is meticulously examined, considering its features, cons, and user-friendliness, to help you find the appropriate solution for your data migration needs. Top 1. Best Wi-Fi Transfer App Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android acts as a comprehensive Android data transfer and management solution, offering 2 connection modes, via USB cable or Wi-Fi. It enables swift and error-free transfer of various data types between Android and computer. Free download this program before commencing Android to PC file transfer wirelessly. Step 1. Run the utility. Connect your Android device to a stable Wi-Fi network. Launch the installed Assistant for Android software on your computer. Then select Connect via Wi-Fi from the interface. Step 2. Establish the Wi-Fi connection. Download and install the Android version of the software on your device. Run the APK file and select Scan QR code to scan the code displayed on the PC program. Now, ensure both your phone and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Initiate file transfer via Wi-Fi. Browse through the categorized files on your phone. From the left menu, choose the desired file types and click Export to transfer them to your PC. Beyond that, select Import at the top of the screen to open a window for browsing your computer's content. Top 2. Wi-Fi File Transfer. With this popular app, you can seamlessly make Wi-Fi file transfers through a user-friendly interface. Using a single tap, start the app and wirelessly download files to your computer. You can also view photos, watch videos, and listen to music on your computer or smart TV. Top 3. SHAREit. SHAREit is a free cross-platform transfer tool for sharing any file format between computers and mobiles without any USB connections. This app offers Wi-Fi file transfer capabilities, supporting various file formats like movies, videos, music, wallpapers, and GIFs. Top 4. AirDroid. AirDroid is one of the top Wi-Fi transfer apps for PC or Android for transferring files between your Android device and computer. This tool goes beyond simple file transfer by enabling screen mirroring from Android to PC. Top 5. Xender. Xender is a clever file-sharing app serving over 500 million users worldwide. As a remarkable SHAREit substitute, it's compatible with Android, iOS, Tizen, Windows, PC, and Mac, ensuring seamless sharing across all platforms. Top 6. SuperBeam. SuperBeam is a free Wi-Fi transfer app for Android facilitating large file sharing over Wi-Fi. This tool pairs devices through QR code scanning, NFC, or manual key sharing, even with non-SuperBeam devices. Top 7. Zapya. Zapya, free file sharing app, enables quick transfers among devices and groups, featuring offline chat and QR code sharing. It supports simultaneous sharing with up to 4 users and allows multiplayer gaming during transfers. Top 8. Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is a decent Wi-Fi transfer app for Android to Windows and vice versa. It transfers files directly via Wi-Fi, making it a must-have for Android users. Top 9. WeTransfer. WeTransfer offers seamless file sharing directly from your phone, including high-quality photos and videos. With its clever features, this tool facilitates transferring files, sharing documents, uploading photos, and sending videos.